Hey Annie, I've got a short video here just to show you what grading is like in Excel or in Canvas, and it's pretty nice. You know, it's a good product, and I think they make it as easy for you as they can. But this is the assignment, and there are three parts to it. They have to first do a couple little tree maps. You can take a look at this yourself. They're kind of funny things. It's a little tiny graph that goes right inside a single cell in Excel. And it would be good for looking for trends, say, from comparative data. That's what I would use it for. And then, oh, no. The tree map's another one. It's a great big block that compares dollars. It's another way of viewing data, okay? I'm not that crazy about it, but I think if you had less, this is with 12 months, if you had fewer months, it would be easier to see, to get something out of. The tree map, they're the little spark lines, are the little graphs inside of a single cell. And then finally, a handy thing from the Journal of Accountancy was how to combine formulas and text in the same cell. So I have the solution here someplace. It's not it. Neither's that. Wait a minute. I just had it. Here we go. Here's the solution. Excuse me, sorry. So here's the data. Okay, it's just a brief amount of data, but what's tricky about it is the years are over here on the side. So they had to select it here and here. Not a great display of data, but that's okay. And these are the spark lines, okay? That's what it is. It's an actual little graph that goes in here. I can't get over that. I don't know where you can see the instructions have the, the formula for it and everything. Well, you just insert, it's just insert, it's up here. Insert a chart. It's an actual chart. Is it here? I just saw that. Oh, here it is. Tree map. Isn't it something? So that's a tree map, and this would be a sunburst like that. This is kind of nice. I like this one. If you've got a bunch of categories, it might have been a better way to display it, but it's under there. And then the last one, this is the actual tree map. See, if I did this by spark lines, I think that would have been more interesting. And then finally, this right here is in a single cell, and it is a combination of text and a sum. Okay, the sum of these, let's see, through 2021 sales. Okay, and it's in a single cell, so if you had to work that into a sentence in something you're giving somebody, that would be really handy. And you can see that the text has double quotes around it, and you have to leave a space, okay, otherwise that sum, before you put the next double quote in, otherwise the sum is going to be right up against the L. And then ampersand sum, and then the range. So that's a pretty handy thing to have at some point in your life. And let's go to, if I go in here to grades, and I have 3 sections in here, okay, in the same Canvas course. Oh God, I'm behind. I really have to get going here. So that's homework 3 isn't due until Sunday night. Hopefully they get it done now. And let's go out here to Excel. Here are tree maps and spark lines. I thought this was, it might not be due till tomorrow. The 11th? Maybe not. I'll look at it again in a second. But I go to these 3 buttons and then go to Speed Grader. I'm moving this over, okay. Yeah, I can't make the window bigger. But here is some ones, and that's interesting. It's amazing how each one's going to be a little bit different. But there's their tree map. Okay, and here's the data, and here's the spark line. And it's sort of like, I don't know if maybe because he stretched it out, that's why it looks so different. And here's his sentence, which is kind of nice. Did a good job on that. Okay. So then you go to view the rubric. Okay, and this is, and you can pull this over too if you want to make it so that you can get at this. So Tree Max with Sparklines, I would give him 4 points here. And if you wanted to, I'm going to make a comment here. The stretching out the cell also stretches the chart. Okay, and then I'm going to save the comment. Okay, sales dollars by month. We'll give them that one. What is it? Oh, this is the tree map right here. And then combining text and data, we'll give them 200. And you could say here, you could say nice job, something like that. The other thing you can do is you can dictate in here, just so you know, and then save it. Oh. Annie, the doorbell rang, so I had to leave, so I don't know where I am. But once I want to take up one more look at this rubric. The other thing that you can do is if you find that you are saying this, you don't have to make any comments, number one. But if you find that you're saying the same thing all the time, you can click that to save the comment. Like a nice job, that's the kind of thing I'll save. Okay, and hit save. And then when I go to do the next one, let's see. I'm going to find one here. Okay. You can choose the comment right there. Okay? If she needed it, yeah. It's amazing how they're all different, though. Okay, there's the nice job comment. Okay, so these will probably dribble in all day long, because I'm pretty sure, I think it's due on the 11th. Okay, Annie, that's enough. If you need anything, call me or give me a quick text or something, okay? Okay, bye-bye.